Hello to my future employer, Ma'am and Sir. I am one of the aspiring applicants to be your housemate. I am Kemi G. Mediana, 33 years old, single, from New Isabela, Tacloban City, Sultan Kudarat. I am a college graduate in Notre Dame of Tacloban College. I took a Bachelor of Science in Criminology, and fortunately, I passed the board exam on the same year, 2014, as a licensed criminologist. Currently working as a college teacher, teaching in a specialization of first aid and water safety. I have 6 siblings, 3 sisters, and 3 brothers. I am the middle child in the family. I have a working experience as a housemaid here in the Philippines since 2010 and until now. So a married couple with 3 kids, ages 10 years old, 6 years old, and the younger one is the newborn baby. My daily routine there is taking care of their kids, cooking, marketing, ironing, washing the clothes, and general cleaning of the house. I can work under pressure with a minimal supervision, fast learner, trustworthy, honest, kind, hardworking, and most of all, loving and caring housemate. I can also guarantee that the safety of your children is my top priority. I am looking forward and I am looking for the employer that will treat me as a person and as a family as well. Thank you so much for this opportunity to introduce myself, hoping and praying to be a part of your loving family, Ma'am and Sir.